Alright guys, and welcome to this video. So on this video guys, we are going to be talking about the SosoValue airdrop, how you can be able to claim the Epoch 2 airdrop. We are going to be talking about it in this video, and also we are going to be talking about how you can be able to boost your earning for this Epoch 3. All right, so there's one thing that's actually confusing a lot of people, which is the difference between Epoch. All right, so the difference between Epoch and the difference between season. All right, now let me make it very clear to you. So when we talk about Epoch, we are actually talking about the people that are staking. Okay, we are talking about people that are staking. But when we are talking about season, we are talking about the people that are farming points right here on this SosoValue website. All right, so talking about staking right now, which is of course the Epoch, we have gone from season 1. Season 2 is the one that just ended right now, and season 3 has already begun. But when we talk about the season, we have actually claimed the airdrop for season 1, which unfortunately I didn't qualify. We have claimed the season 1 airdrop, and currently we are still on season 2 of the SosoValue airdrop. So the fact that we are currently on Epoch 3 doesn't mean that we have actually completed the season 2. So the people that actually did the staking are going to be claiming their reward from their staking. All right, so they are going to be claiming their reward, but the people who did not participate on the staking are not going to be claiming any reward. If you are only gathering points right here on the SosoValue website, then you should be ready, because you are only going to be, you are only going to be getting your reward when the season 2 ends. All right, but currently nobody knows when the season 2 of the airdrop will end, but currently we know the time when the Epoch 3 is going to end. So all this, we are going to be talking about it right here on this video, starting right now. So as you all know, this is where we actually gather our points for the season 2. You can see we are currently on season 2, and right here, this is where we gather our points. Make sure you are claiming every single day. Make sure you are completing all the tasks that are given, and also make sure that you are following them up every single time, so that any new updates you will get to know about it. But talking about the Epoch 2 and how to claim it, and also how to join the Epoch 3 and how to boost your earning on Epoch 3, let's start talking about it right now. So to get to the page where we are going to be talking about the Epoch, you simply need to click over here that we have SSL. Now you click on it right now. So once you click on it, you are going to be taken to another page where the staking takes place, and also where you get to claim your season 2 airdrop and all that. Okay, so looking over here right now, you can see this is of course what we have right here. Everything is here very well, and of course to get started you need to click on this three line right here. Okay, you click on it, and when you click on it, you're going to be seeing all these options right here. You need to go ahead and click on reward. All right, I will click on reward. So clicking on reward right now, you are going to be taken to the page where your season 2 reward are. So over here right now, you can see this is my season 2 overview reward. I was only able to get 1.96 SosoValue token, and currently one SosoValue token is trading around $0.5. So when you times it by 2, which is the reward that I've got right here, you can see that I only have $1 as my reward for the Epoch 2. This is very minimal, but one thing you need to note right here is that a lot of factors determines how much you are going to be earning. For example, the amount of indexes that you staked, and also the amount of SosoValue that you used to boost it. So apparently I didn't boost my season 2, but for this I didn't boost my Epoch 2, but for this my Epoch 3, I'm going to be boosting it. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to boost it. All right, so right now guys, to be able to claim the Epoch 2, you can see that the reward is going to be distributed, or the claim is going to be live within 10 days. You can see we have 10 days and 10 hours left before we can be able to claim our reward from the Epoch 2. So right now, that is all for Epoch 2. Let's talk about the Epoch 3, which is the one that is live right now. So coming over here right now, you can see this is the dashboard for Epoch 3, and of course right here you can see I haven't gotten anything, because obviously the Epoch 3 just started today. And of course you can see right here that the Epoch 3 is going to be ending within 179 days 10 hours. All right, so after 979 days, then we are going to be sharing from 30 million. We are going to be sharing 30 million SosoValue token. Looking over here right now, you can see 0 out of the total amount of SosoValue token that were brought up for this has been shared. So this is still brand new. And right now, someone out there may be asking question, what about those that have already staked for the season 1 and for the Epoch 1 and Epoch 2? Are they going to be required to stake again? The answer is no. If you have already staked, if you already bought and staked your indexes, you do not need to stake again. You are simply going to be claiming when the claiming time comes, but your reading is going to be continuing because you have already staked. The question right now is, how are you going to be able to boost your staking so that you won't end up getting something very little, just like I get right here? I'll be sharing it right now. And also, I've been getting a lot of DMs asking me, is the staking mandatory? And the question is, the staking is not mandatory. The epoch and the season are two different things. All right, so if you are only claiming points on the season 2 of the airdrop, you do not need to worry about staking. This staking is just like the side hustle for the people that are actually claiming the airdrop. So even if you didn't stake any even if you didn't stake on this SosoValue website, your reward for the season 2 airdrop are going to be given to you in full. All right, so right now you do not need to stick to earn. So that's the summary of everything. So over here guys, on season 2, you can see nothing has shown up right here. I think it will take 24 hours before it starts showing up right here. So the question is, how are we going to be able to boost our earning? So the first way to actually boost your Epoch 3 earning is to go ahead and refer people into the system, because anybody that you refer into this, you are going to be getting 10% from the person's earning. And of course, the second way is to actually buy and stake SosoValue token. All right, in that way you are going to be boosting your earning or with a reasonable amount of percentage, like 6x. Instead of earning 1, you are going to be earning 6x, something like that. So let's now boost our earning right here. So to be able to boost it, you go ahead and click on stake Soso to boost. You click on it right now, and once you click on it right now, you are going to be brought to this page where you can be able to stake your SosoValue token. And of course, this is going to be giving you a push up to earn even higher reward from this Epoch 3. So right now, the first thing you need to do before you come over here and boost your Epoch 3 earning is you need to go ahead and buy SosoValue from SosoValue token from any exchange of your choice, then transfer it to your wallet, which you connected to this wallet, to your SosoValue account. You transfer it right there, so that when you connect your wallet, the total amount of SosoValue token that you have will be reflecting right here like this. So this is the total amount of SosoValue token that I have on the wallet that I actually connected to my SosoValue account. So right now we are going to be staking our SosoValue. So I'm going to be staking every single thing. So over here right now, we have staking, we have on stake, and we have withdraw. So I will click on max right now. Okay, so I'm going to be staking my 14 SosoValue token, and of course you can see the boost reward is 50%, which is equivalent to 1.5x. okay, so right now staking just 14% is going to be giving you this amount of boost. Okay, so right now guys, when you stake SosoValue token, you are going to be receiving SosoValue token. This SosoValue token is like the evidence that you actually staked. All right, so right now I will go ahead and click on stake right now. Okay, I will click on stake right now, and I will click it like this. And of course, if you look over here, you can see we have boost up to 40x. Okay, let me confirm this transaction first. Come on. And here we are. So I need to click on confirm. First of all, let me input the amounts. That's my spending cap. Okay, 14. I will click on confirm amounts right now. Then now I need to click on confirm. All right, so right now guys, it is going to be confirmed right now, and the staking is going to be going through right now. Okay, so I will click on this to go back, and of course you can see transaction failed, try again. I think I have to try again. So this is because the amount that I input right here is not the same amount that I input while confirming the transaction. Of course you can see what we are staking right here is okay, let me make it specific. Let me round it up like this. Okay, so we are now staking 14 SosoValue token, right? So I will click on stake right now. Okay, and it will pop up this notification from my wallet again. I need to confirm the amount. I will then confirm it. Okay, minus 14, this is it. So I will click on confirm right now. Let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, so this is it right now, and of course I think we should be good to go right now. Okay, so you can see it is still loading up right now. Let's see what we're gonna have. Okay, you can see we have a message saying stake successful. So this is how simple it is, guys. So right now you have learned how you can be able to claim your Epoch 2 airdrop from the SosoValue token, and also you have learned how to join the season 3, the Epoch 3. I mean to say, you have learned how to join the Epoch 3, and also you have learned how you can be able to boost your earnings so that you won't earn something very little at the end of everything. So I'm so sorry for saying Epoch, for saying season where I'm supposed to say Epoch. I'm so sorry for that, but I believe you understand. So thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you have any question, let me have it right there on the comment section, guys, and I will talk to you guys on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon.